Yes, I'm gonna save 6,000 something ringgit by doing it myself. Basically, I have an S8 Pro Ultra. It works like a charm except for the plumbing system, which I'll have to replace the clean water and get rid of the wastewater almost multiple times a week. And the Saros tank is really interesting because they have an option for refill and drainage system. But am I going to spend 6,000 bucks? No. So I decided to do some digging and do some DIY myself. And in the end of the video, I'll show the working product that I have. So with some digging, I have came across some posts and also walkthrough. Basically, the dock itself uses a vacuum system that sucks the air out, and from here, the wastewater will be sucked through this tube into the waste tank, and then this is the air pump that pumps the air out, creates a vacuum in the wastewater tank. In return, it creates a suction that sucks it out. And because of gravity, I can remove some bits of plastics here and replace this tubing. So I just unplug it from the top and then replace the tubing, and it just lay flat on the floor and the water just runs straight out to my drain. And how do you replace the tubing? If you go to maintenance of the dock video from the official video, you see they remove this tab, and this is the tube itself. So once you unplug the tube and remove like bits of plastics here, it can easily fit through. So that's what I've done. And for the clean water itself, I went with the approach of not destroying the tank or not doing any modification to the tank, and just get some tubing and connecting it to my existing uh, piping. And then at the end, I have a valve like this where I just chuck it into the tank itself. And you'll see in the video that works like a charm, and I just saved myself some money. Okay, see you. Bye.